In this video, we're going to discuss how to add a vehicle to the customer. We've already added our customer into the system and everything's there. In this case, we don't have all the information like address and all for this demo customer, but you would normally have all this information already propagated. So once it's time to add a vehicle, it's very simple. Down and hit the green plus sign. Put it in contacted status unless you need it to go to the sales manager. In that case, it will be in write-up status. Normally when you're first working a deal, it doesn't need to be in write-up status. Select that. Now you see we've been presented with the vehicle screen. So over here, we never want to just start typing information in these boxes. We always want to use the magnifying glass again to search. So right here, we're going to go and look for a car. And in this case, you can search by stock number, you can search by new used, or let's search this in this case by model. Searching for a Mustang, go ahead and hit enter on our keyboard. If we wanted to filter this by new and used, so we don't have 1,000 of them, we would just change that to used. That narrows it down to several cars. Again, if we had a stock number, we would put that stock number in there. We can go ahead and copy this. For this, for here, we'll take this out and we'll just put a stock number in the top. And again, we'll hit our enter key or hit our search button and it brings that car directly up. To add that car to the customer is very simple. Just click the button right here. Boom, the vehicle's in the system with the customer. Always put your work notes in every time you do anything so you know what's going on with that guy. Now let's say this vehicle was something that the customer wanted that we didn't have. You know, you remember the old wish lists? You wish you knew where that car was, and you wish you remember what that you put that list, and you know, you wish you had known that that car was here. Well, this system's really good about letting you know about cars that come in. So we're going to go ahead and clear this field just for this test here, back to nothing. In this drop down, we want to go ahead and check for new inventory. Now, in these fields here, you might put in certain criteria. Let's just say Mustang. And down here, you might want to put in transmission. You know, and over here in the exterior color, you might put in green, right? And what happens then, after you save all this in with this customer, and we'll go ahead and just save it right now just for argument's sake, this system now checks every day for a Mustang green with a manual transmission in inventory. And if we got one in stock, even if it was bought at the auction or we traded for it, it's still in service and you don't know about it, it's out behind detail hidden somewhere, you'll know, you'll be notified, and it will create a to-do for you that this car came in and this guy's looking for it. So this will help you sell that car for sure. You'll know way ahead of the game when that car gets here. So remember that, check inventory. That's pretty much it. You don't have to worry about in stock, not in stock, any of that. Again, you know, we just search by stock number, make, model, year, whatever you want. The least criteria to use, the more broad your research results will be. And again, while you're in this screen, you want to go ahead and add your tracking codes, newspaper, whatever, your rankings, you know, anything else that's not here, you want to go ahead and add that information in. Your work notes, always put work notes in here all the time just so you have those, whatever they may be, right? And then again, save your deal at the end. That's it.